how to create this drop down effect. So I am now at page 1 of this report, and I want to go to the next page. And when I select that, I click on the button, it will bring me to the, if I hold out Control key, it will bring me to page 2. So how is this done? Well, let's see. Well, first of all, go to the Home tab, choose the Enter Data tab button, and over here, type in all the report page that you have here, the name of the report page. Okay. Then we put in here, give that a new name and click load. And appears here one new thing here. Then come over to this visualization, select the slicer, select the column, choose this, change it to drop down, and this is how you change it to a drop down. Next, select the slicer format. Now, depending if you want the slicers heading or you don't need that. So I can choose, at the moment I can choose multiple, not really. I just go back here, choose slicer. I can select single select, and then something else. Well, next thing is that I go to choose a button. Go to Insert tab, Buttons, Blank. Drag it beside it. Go to the Styles group, select Text. Check Go. Go to Action. Choose Page Navigation. Click on this. Choose the table and the column. Click OK. And that is how you create a. So here and click on this here. As you can see, it now work accordingly. So this one changed to here. Oh well, we really can have just a few more. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching how to create a report navigation with the slicer and button. God bless you. God bless Aisha. Together we excel before 50.